Welcome back, children. So now we'll see the problems from 15.3, sixth problem. Exercise 15.3, problem number 6. The question is, if a number is divisible by 8, it is also divisible by 4. Why? Explain. So what is saying that if a number is divisible by 8, it is also divisible by 4. Why? Why is the reason? Because 8 is also a multiple of 4. 8 is a multiple of 4. So what happened? So whatever the multiples of 8 is also multiples of 4. For example, if you write 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 32, 40, so on. So these are the multiples of 8. But what I am telling you, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 only multiple of 4, correct? So whatever comes under 8, that is also multiple of 4. So that the number which is divisible by 8 is also divisible by 4. Simple, the conclusion will write here 8 is a multiple of 4, so that the multiples of 8 is also multiple of 4. Okay, seventh problem. There is the 3-digit numbers. The sum of the 3-digit number is 13B7. 4A3 plus 984. Yeah, that is equal to 13B7. 13B7. Okay. Right. Seventh problem. 13B7 is divisible by 11. Okay, so this sum is divisible by 11. Okay, find A plus B. Find A and also B. Okay, right. Look at it. So divisibility rule of 11 is the difference of, write down the difference of any two letters you write down. I am writing A, B, or else write PQ better, PQ, correct? So sum of the digits of P, say 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10, and sum of the digits of Q, that is 1 plus B, we can't add them, correct? So the difference of the both should be divisible by 11, am I right? So that means either the difference must be 0, or the difference must be 11, or the difference must be 22, correct? So whatever the difference must be multiple of 11, correct? So already sum of the one category is 10. So we can't make 11 even, we can't make 22. So we can say the difference is 0. When the difference is 0? When sum of P digits, sum of Q digits become same. If you get 10 here, if you get 10 here also, then 10 minus 10 will get 0, correct? So therefore I'll write 1 plus B is equal to 10. B is equals to already 10. The 1 plus will become minus 1. So B is equal to 9. Okay, then come back to the problem. 3 plus 4, 7, okay, no carry. 4 plus 9, 13, so no carry. So simple, from here I can write, therefore from the problem I can write A plus 8 is equal to B, correct? So A plus 8 is equals to B value 9. So A is equals to already 9, the plus side will become minus 8, A value 1. What is the question? Find the value of A plus B. A value 1, B value 9, so A plus B value is 10. Okay, and some more divisibility rules, some more interesting divisibility rules. Yeah, so first divisibility rule is, if a number A is divisible by B, then it is also divisible each of the factor of the number. For example, a number is divisible by 12. Just for example I am telling you. Then what happens if you write factors for 12? So 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So factors in the sense, these are the factors, correct? So what I am telling you, if you take any number, if a number is divisible by 12, so the number is also divisible by the factors of 12. Okay, so it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and also 12. So simple. If a number A, a large number A is divisible by one more number B, then the number is also divisible by all the factors of B. That is one of the rule. Okay. Second one, if a number is divisible by A and B, and A and B have no common factors, then the number is also divisible by A into B. For example, 24, correct? So 24 is divisible by 3, 24 is also divisible by 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, correct? Now what is the condition? A number is divisible by A, a number is also divisible by B, and they have no common. Look at 3 won't come in 4 table and 4 won't come in 3 table. They have no any common, right? So then they're also divisible by 3 into A into B. So A and B individually have taken, no? A value 3, B value 4. Then 3 into 4, answer 12. Correct? So if a number is divisible by A, if a number is also divisible by B, and they have no common factors, and they have no any common, then it is also divisible by A by B. Example, 24 is divisible by 3, 24 is also divisible by 4, then 24 is also divisible by 12. And look at 3 and 4 have no any common factors, right? Right. If two numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by a number, right? Yeah. 24 and 15. 24, 15 and both are divisible by 3. So then their sum, how much? Addition. 24 plus 15, 39. By 3 divisibility rule, sum of the digits. Am I right? So that is 3 plus 9, 12. So it is divisible. So their difference, 24 minus 15, answer 9. So 9 also divisible by 3, correct? So what happens if two numbers are divisible by a single number, then the two numbers sum and the two numbers difference is also divisible by the number. Here 24 and 15 are individually divisible by 3, then their sum and the difference are also divisible by 3. That is the condition. Okay, right. We'll go with the 15.4 beta. Yeah, 15.4. Given number is 25110. 25110. It is divisible by 45. Check whether it is divisible by 45 or not. Okay. So 45 is a large number. So better to separate into two different numbers. Product of two different numbers. 5 and 9. Okay. And look at 5 and 9 have no any common factors. They have no any common. No common between 5 and 9. Correct? Now I am going to check with by 5 once. And other time I will go with check by 9. By 5 what? Divisibility rule. Last digit must be 0. So it is divisible. Correct? Now look at by 9. 9 divisibility rule. Sum of the digits. Correct? Here write down better. Last digit 0. So divisible. So divisible by 5. Right. Sum of the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 25110 is also divisible by 9. So 25010 is divisible by 5 into 9, that is nothing but 45. Correct? So that is a way of solving the problems. Okay. Right. So we'll go with the next problem, beta. Third problem. Yeah, third problem is 864. Check 864 is divisible by 36 or not, and also check whether it is divisible by the all factors of 36 or not. By 36. So 36, two different numbers try to take, okay? So I can take 4 9s are 36, correct? So by 4, what is the rule? Last 2 digits must be divisible, correct? Better. Look at 4, 64, 4 1s are 4, 2 4, 4 6 are 24, correct? So therefore 64 is divisible by 4. So 864 is also divisible by 4. Now by 9 divisibility rule, sum of the digits, right? Now write down 8 plus 6 plus 4. Yeah, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18. But we know it's a 9 table, 9 2s are 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So 864 is also divisible by 9. Yeah, 9. Then what is asking? Is asking us to check with the factors also. Right? Factors. We'll see. Yeah. So factors 1 into 36. 36 is divisible by 2 also, 18 times. It is divisible by 3 also, 12 times. 4 9s are not divisible by 5. 6, yeah, 6 6 are. Next because beta 9 into 4, 12 into 3. Next 18 into 2. Next 36 ones are. Okay. So one set of numbers are factors. Okay. So by 1. So all numbers are divisible by 1. No need to write specially, right? By now we'll check with the all factors of 836. All factors of 36. By 2. By 2, last digit we know. We'll write in short form beta. Last digit 4. Correct? So it is also divisible by 2. Correct? Right. Next by 3. By 3 rule, sum of the digits. So that means 8 plus 6 plus 4, answer 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So 864 is also divisible by 3. Correct? By 4. By 4, last digit 64. Already the problem solving we checked it. Yeah, 64 is divisible by 4. So 864 also divisible by 4. Next by 6, right? By 6 divisibility rule. By 2 and by 3. Look at by 2, yeah, it is divisible. By 3, it is also divisible. So overall by 6 also divisible. Correct? Next by 9. By 9. By 9 also sum of the digits 8 plus 6 plus 4, 18. And in the problem starting we checked with the 9 also. It is divisible with 9. Now by 12. By 12. So by 12, individually if you write, 4 3s are 12. By 4 and by 3. Look at by 4. By 4 it is divisible. By 3 also divisible. So overall 4 3s are 12. It is divisible by 12 also. Next by 18. Take individual numbers. Okay. So by 2 and by 9. 2 and 9 have no common, correct? 2 is divisible, 9 also divisible, correct? So 18 also divisible by 36, correct? So 36 is itself, every number is divisible by itself. So therefore all the factors of 36 also divides 864. So it's a way of solving the problems. I hope you understand and solve some of the problems, model problems of this problem. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.